I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove your Jeep Wrangler roof. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a Torx bit set, and a helpful friend. Park your Jeep on a level surface, ensuring the parking brake is fully engaged for safety. Also, clear any items from the cargo area that could obstruct the roof panels during removal. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Next, let's tackle the freedom panels. Unlatch the two front latches positioned above the sun visors on each panel. Then, loosen the two large thumb screws found at the rear of each panel. Once these are free, carefully lift and remove each freedom panel. Remember to store them in a safe, secure location to prevent any damage before reinstalling them later. Now, it's time to disconnect the main hardtop. On the driver's side, carefully disconnect the washer fluid hose and the electrical harness. Next, you'll need to remove the 6 Torx bolts that secure the hardtop to the Jeep's body. Make sure all rear window latches are completely unlatched. Double-checking these connections ensures a smooth and safe lift. Finally, with the help of at least one other person, carefully lift the hardtop straight up and off your Jeep. It's quite heavy, so take your time. Place the hardtop onto a soft, stable surface, or utilize a specialized hoist system if you have one. Remember to store all the removed bolts and screws in a designated container for easy reinstallation later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.